Hi guys, welcome to our channel Texi. In this video, I will show you how to compress a file. If you are a new one for our YouTube channel, click below subscribe button and press the bell button. Then you can get first alerts about our videos what we are going to publish. Let's go to the video. With properly compressed file, you will be able to upload and download faster very smoothly. Compress and reducing the file size, it take up less space in your hard drive. Go to your file, right click, then go to properties. You can see here it has 1.03 GB. So this is the way I used to reduce this file size. Right click, go to add to archive. Then you can give a name here. After that, select your compression method. When you select normal, it's not reduce file size, so you can give it as good or a best. Then dictionary size selected 32 MB. After that, give a tick for here. If you like to write a comment here, you can do it. Then press OK. It will get some time. Here, this is our new file. Then, we can check the file size. Amazing! File size is 7.08 MB. In the beginning of this file size is 1.03 GB. In here, you can see the difference of both of files. Try to do it. What other programs are essential to your PC? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, do not forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to press the bell button to the first know about our all the upcoming videos. Thanks all. Stay safe.